I'll help you that how you can create a data layer for a website which is not based on like Shopify, or which is not based on any of other WordPress like CMS like WordPress, where you need to create the data layer by your own. And also on some of the website it is hard to implement data layers on the back end. So how you can create a data layer and implement that data layer from GTM only, by extracting the data. So this video will be informative, so be in this video till last, so you will get to know how you can extract the data using the DOM element of the website. So this is a website, an e-commerce based website. So for example, if you want to create a data layer, I have also created a data layer and all the functions, variables and all. I will make you explain like this is something which needs to be implemented with the help of GTM. I will let you know how you can create variables, how you can assign these variables into this data layer, how you can gather the data from DOM element through these variables, so these variables can get the data in the data layer. So I will make you explain this step by step. So for example, this is a website which is an e-commerce website. You need to go to inspect in the console thing. This is the thing where you will test each and everything. Now for example, in this video I will help you creating the variables. These are the variables which will get the data from the DOM element of the website. Okay, so I will create a add to cart event for you. So first and the foremost thing is how you can gather. You will create a variable with the name of product name. So what is the name of the product? This is the name of the product. Always remember, some of the data layers are always fixed. So you can get these data layers from Google. You can search anywhere, you can get these example data layers. The main thing here is that how you can gather the data. So first and the foremost thing is product name. We have created a variable with the name of product name. So this is a WordPress based website. We are not implementing data layers using GTM for WP plugin. We are implementing data layers using GTM only. Okay, so this is a product page. Product name is boho environment set 1 of 4. So how you will gather the data, how you will gather the product name using DOM element. So you need to inspect it, you need to see it, the element for this web page. As you can see, this is the element. You need to click on these three dots, copy JS path. Now this is the JS path. You can see it has been highlighted. The element h1.wb blog post title has been highlighted. Now you need to check what is actually the text, because this will not be helpful for you. This will not be helpful when it will be populated in GA4. The only thing is that what is the product name in the form of text. So now you need to clear this ID. We only need is the div element, and after this you need to write inner text. As you can see, the inner text has been appeared. One thing you should know, that these elements should be same on every product page. For example, if I am copying this thing, okay, if I'll be like going on any other page, any other product page, like this is something else like flying birds, I'm going to this product page. I will remove all the things. I will paste that code simply again. As you can see, it has been appeared automatically. So this is something we can use to gather the data for product name. So from starting, it is an HTML, so we will start with script. We will create a variable whose name is product name, which will be equals to this, ending with colon. Next we will create variable product price. Now again we will go to the page, we will go to element, click here, we will click here, we need to click on three dots, copy JS path, console, do the same, remove this hash because we need div like division for this. We will type inner text. Now as we can see, here is a kind of tweak in it. We only want the price, we don't want this currency, or even we don't want dot double o, because when the values will be appear in GA4, it will be in the form of like 0.30, 0.40, 0.50 something. So we can also remove it. We have to remove currency also, because currency is totally a different variable. Currency is totally a different thing in when it comes to like capturing data in data layer. So to remove this, we need to click on the up arrow icon. The query will automatically paste it below. Now what we need to do, we need to add a stop for stop icon. We need to type replace, because we need to replace this thing. If you ever use substitute in Google Sheet or Excel, it works in the same way. Bracket open, bracket close, double quote, comma, double quote. In the first double quote, we will add the value that needs to be replaced, and in the second quote, the value should come with whom. Okay, so we need to replace this symbol. So we'll go to, actually I need INR symbol. I'll get this, I'll add it. Oh, sorry. I'll copy this again, the symbol. I'll paste this symbol here. I will not put anything here. In the second quote, I will not add anything. So it will be replaced by nothing. Okay. So as you can see, we have get the value here. Now we need to remove 0.00 also. So because the value should be like in an accurate way, no point or no values after the points we need. So again, I'll put press the above up arrow. It will automatically place there above query below. Now again, I'll put everything in the bracket. Now I need integer, means I need number. So there is a query name as praise float. You will use praise float here. As you can see, we've only got the number here. Everything has been removed, like quotes have been removed, point values have been removed. So I'll copy this to my JS bin, and again I'll put colon at the end, press enter. Now I will create new variable, like it can be product category, if the category is available, equals to, again I'll go to this elements. As we can see, we have category here. We have category, copy JS path. Again I'll go to this dot inner text, I'll remove this. See, we don't need this category colon, we just need category. So what we'll do, we'll again do the same thing that we did above. We'll use replace here. I'll add this. Always add a space also if you have space after colon or after anything. Okay, comma, again quote, this, enter. I'll copy this, paste this, put a colon at the end again. now I will need product category equals to sorry, quantity category we have done, UNTITY quantity. Again I'll go to this. As we can see, we have this quantity number here. I'll try to make it 3. Go to element, click on it, click here. Now click here, copy JS path. Now always remember, remove all above. Now always remember, this is like a value thing. Okay, quantity should always be measured in terms of value. So we don't need to write inner text here. Okay, what inner text will get is like, it will not get anything. Even if I'll remove this, we will not get anything. So what we need to do, instead of inner text, we need to put value here, because it's a text box. So inside a text box we have a value. So just think like this: whatever is present in a very static way on the page can be get as inner text, but something which is dynamic in nature, like it can be, now it is 4, or we will say push the up arrow, we can see it has been dynamically updated. So it should be in the form of not inner text but in form of value. I'll do paste it here. This, now we have created a variable here. Now if you know about data layer, this is a data layer. I took our data layer. I'll automatically paste the data layer here. This is the function for the data layer which will push the data in the data layer. This is the event name. It can be custom add to cart. This is the e-commerce array. Okay, this is e-commerce. Currency should be INR, or the value is product price. So this has been put here from here. This thing and this thing should always be same. Okay, now this is an item array inside which we have taken item name. We will copy this thing, paste this thing here, product name, item price, colon, this should be same as this one. This item category, this should be same as this one, and quantity, this should be same as this one. We are closing the curly brackets, square brackets, then curly brackets again. Okay, this will be here as well, because we haven't closed it properly. So now understand, this closure, this opening should be match. This curly bracket closure, this curly brackets opening should be match. This and this should be match. This and this should be match. Array curly bracket should be match. Now it has been written properly. Okay, now we'll go to GTM. We'll create a new tag. This can be custom add to cart DL tag, data layer tag. Configuration, I'll go to custom HTML. This. Now remember one thing, we need to associate this thing when someone will click on add to cart. So trigger will be in that way only. Okay, now for example, let me check. This is the add to cart, this is the inner text. Let's just take this as a trigger. We will create a trigger. There is a trigger already available. Let me check, change it, click text, contains add to cart. Let's just save it. Save this too. Go to code, function till functional, copy this. I'll go to maybe this is not the one which has been implemented, because this is a dummy container. I'll go to my Chrome extension which is known as DataLayer inspector. Go to functionality, replace the existing code, save setting and reload. This Chrome extension will help you to enable a kind of demo or just a GTM which will work only in your system environment. So the GTM content is JPWC. We will check it. Hmm. Already GTM has been implemented on this website. I think there is a problem with this code. This go through this. Save setting and reload again. Let me see the code. Maybe I'm missing something. Oh, bracket is missed. Sorry, my bad. Copy it again. Go to website. Open this functionality. Save setting. And reload. So as we can see, it has been arrived. The mistake is of bracket. Now I'll debug this page, like preview this page from GTM. I'll open this page. I'm on the page. I'll click on add to cart. It has not worked because I think I need to select other information as well. But see, the custom view item, or no, it has not been performed. The click, I'll go to variable. Let me check the click text. Click text is add to cart, so it will not work for us. I'll go to the tag again. This is my tag. I will go to the triggers, and the trigger replace this with the new text. Close it, preview it once again, open this. And see, select the option. I'll make it like 5. Clicked on add to cart. See, a custom add to cart event has been fired here. Along with that, DataLayer has been implemented, and each and everything has been populated here, like item name, item price, category, quantity has been uploaded. Now if I'll go to any other product page, this is the different page. So I'll select all. Now I will make it to double numbers like 12. Currently I'll remove all these things. Now there is nothing. Add to cart. Custom add to cart has been fired. See, inner radians, the same inner radians, price 599, quantity 12, item category has been appeared as well. So in this way you can create a data layer in using GTM only. You don't need to take the help of developer to implement the data layer at the back end of your website. In my next video I will help you how you can create view item or view item list data layers using GTM only and implement them on your website. If you like the video, do subscribe my channel And if you need any help, my WhatsApp link is mentioned. We can contact for any kind of consultations or any kind of discussions. Thank you.